Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today, as you guys saw before, I had a little mishap on the highway. Fortunately, one of my axles broke going like 65 on the highway. So that sucked. As you guys saw, I had to get the car towed back. So today, Sunday, we are actually going to be tackling that. We're going to be switching out the broken one, obviously, for a new one. We got to get the car cleaned, get everything prepped, get the car ready. And hopefully later today we're going to go to Adam LZ's open house. Hopefully I get a chance to talk to him, see them. And I hear there's going to be some guests coming in too. So can't wait for that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this day started, guys. finally got it out, and I want to kind of show you guys what happened. So as you can see, this is completely, like, it's gone. Like you can see, let's get out of the sun. Completely obliterated. I found like random pieces that just kept falling as I was trying to take it off. You can see like it's, let's see if I can get it to focus. Oh, okay, it doesn't want to focus, but you can see like, and then this is completely messed up. So that basically happened to me on Thursday, on my way to work in the morning. So I just finally was able to, like, you know, get to it and just, you know, tackle it basically. So I'm gonna be putting in the new one in and get everything buttoned up and get the car cleaned up. See if we can go to Adam LZ's open house. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so as you guys can see, she is good for the most part. She's still super dirty, but as far as the axle, everything is back in, tightened up. So we just gotta make sure everything is working correctly. I went ahead and refilled the transmission back with gear oil. So just hope for the best, that she's, you know, mobile again, and just get her back in the garage, clean her up a little bit, clean the inside because it's really dirty, and yeah, we'll take it from there. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so there you guys have it. She's fully functional again. She's running again. What we're gonna do right now is basically just clean her up, give her a quick wash. I'm gonna clean the inside first, and then give her a quick wash, and hopefully then we'll be on our way. So stay tuned. Okay, so she's all washed, all nice and clean. I have to go get some gas, get some air on my front driver's side tire, and then we'll pass by. It's super late, so I'm sure the gate's already closed. It's like 4, it's basically 5 o'clock, and Adam's picture said, Adam's post said it was gonna be gates closing at 4, so at least we'll get to pass by, so let's go check it out. Okay, so we just made it, guys. Thankfully the gate's still open, so I'm just gonna take a few shots of the cars. Hopefully I can pick up a t-shirt, and we'll be on our way.
Times out, 5 times out of 10, he's gonna stop.
It's not that bad.
He's okay. He's okay. And look at everybody filming. It's late too. Like it was. Well, it's like probably like 6 o'clock. My phone died. My camera's literally about to die. So if my camera dies, I'll catch you guys back at the house. I feel like an old man right now. Hey, hashtag grandfather. If you guys don't know, hashtag grandfathers. Where my grandkids at? Cause I feel like one. I'm waiting for him to come back.
Who's that?
Huh?
Who's that driving the 240?
TJ. Okay.
I don't know what it is, like every time I stuff for like if it's an 05 anniversary, like I have the rep. They're like, just have this trim.
Here's Big Boost BMW. Close Miata. It's cold as shit. It's a really nice cars tonight. What's up, Adam?
What's up? How you doing, bro? How you doing?
Yo, we're back home, guys. I didn't get a chance to record a lot because unfortunately my phone turned off. It's my own fault for not charging it on the way there. It kind of sucks because I wish I could have been able to record a lot more, but it is what it is. It was still a really cool experience. I got there extremely late, unfortunately. It took me a lot longer than what I thought with the axle and everything else that I had to do with the car, clean it and do everything else. It really took me a long time to get everything ready. And I had other stuff that I had to do, you know, because tomorrow is my birthday. Tomorrow, Monday, the 11th. It is my birthday, so I had to go out to dinner with my family and stuff like that, and that's, you know, it's a little bit more important. So it was still a really cool experience. I got to see TJ. I didn't get a chance to really talk to him because, like I said, it was very late, and they were pretty much about to close the gate and just call it a night. It was a really fun day. I wish I would have more time, but I did get some clips for you guys of the cars that were still there at that time. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, guys, remember to comment, like, and subscribe. It really does help me and encourage me to do more content and do more stuff for you guys because I see that you guys enjoy it. And I really do pay attention to all the likes, all of the subscribes, and everything else that you guys do. So I want to, like I said, thank you guys. Each and every one of you that sticks to the end of this video because it is a little bit long. I'll see you guys next time. We still have a lot of mods and a lot of stuff that I want to do to the tribute. So if you guys are into that, stay tuned because like I said, there's a lot more stuff. And yeah, take it easy, guys. I'll see you guys next time.